The garment sector, I think, has been a very, very positive thing for women and women's employment, because it's actually given jobs for a large number of women, especially in Bangladesh, but also in India and also in Sri Lanka. So in large parts of South Asia, garments has really created jobs for women. Of course, there are limitations in terms of the returns that the women get, the working conditions, and all of that. But nevertheless, the women have gained jobs. Now, what is it going to be like in the near future? I was just looking at the statistics for India, and we actually have a bulk of women in garments and textiles working and continuing to work, but there has been a decline over this recent period. Over the recent last decade, there has been a substantial decline of women in the sector, especially in rural areas. And urban areas, there is some kind of a gain in garments that is still visible. So a similar kind of concern for South Asia would be there from the global competition and the scenario in terms of what the demand situation is for the kinds of products that the labor in South Asia can produce, both from the point of view of their skill competencies and also from the point of view of the wage conditions that they can sustain the industry in. So if there is a move towards increasing the wages in the sector, which is desirable from the country's point of view and from the workers' point of view, it might act as a detriment to the industry's growth and to the growth of jobs in the sector, because it's very easy to shift these jobs to other locales which are cheaper. So that global competition, I think, is going to be one of the biggest concerns which South Asian countries need to watch out for and plan for. Can the government subsidize in some ways to actually ensure that the jobs continue to be in South Asia and the returns to labor are not compromised? That could be one route to think of. So there are some of these considerations which will have to come in, because the conditions under which the workers work, as we know from the Bangladesh accident that happened, the fire, just shows the kind of sweatshop conditions under which and vulnerable conditions under which these women are working. So that continues to be a big concern and needs to be corrected. But on the other side, in terms of social attitudes and social transformation for gender, the fact that the women are working in this sector, the fact that they go back home with goodies and gifts to rural areas from where they come many a times as migrant workers or as workers who are mobile from rural areas to nearby urban areas, it is changing the outlook of the entire society towards the women and their role and contribution to the society at large and also the families to which they belong. And that has a tremendous potential for transforming patriarchal relations and gender relations. So that's a big positive that I see if jobs like the garment or any other jobs which are created, which allow for women to get into jobs which are giving them paid employment, direct access to independent sources of income, is something that has a very high potential for economic empowerment of women.